Hi ma'am, I'm Ritika from My Precious Life, and I will be asking you a few questions about your experience in lit event since you have attended it. So first of all, I would like to know your name ma'am, and if people would like to know a little bit about you.
I'm Meena Gupta. I'm a counselor, therapist, and a trainer, and I'm President Society for Complementary Therapies.
Great, thank you ma'am. And also since you have been there in the event on 15th of August, lit event.
Yeah.
So I would like to know a little bit that how was your experience? Did you like it over there?
So the experience was amazing. It was very overwhelming, in fact. I was very overwhelmed because to put fashion and a very serious topic like domestic violence together, But I felt that it was needed because people would attend,
That's
coming for a fashion event. But at the same time, the burning issue of domestic violence will also be addressed here.
Yes.
So I was definitely very, very amazed, very overwhelmed, and very happy to hear.
Wonderful, wonderful experience. So also ma'am, I wanted to confirm, like, since you have attended that event and it was about domestic violence, and because it's about domestic violence and since you were part of it, we would like to know that what are your plans to work against it, and what are your plans to take it on another level?
Sritika, I'm already addressing it. In my work, I'm a counselor, therapist, like I said, and a trainer. So a lot of people are coming with these issues of domestic violence, So it is not limited to one straight of society.
Right.
I think every straight of society is facing this,
Correct.
Either behind the homes or outside or in corporates or in offices or in their workplaces,
Right.
So already I am addressing it, but yes, like you said, that we need to take it to another level.
Yes.
And we can do it only when we plan training programs in various organizations, whether it is schools, whether it is institutions, whether it is
Correct.
colleges or corporates.
That's right. We have to take it to different platforms.
Absolutely.
Yes. All right, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time. This is all I wanted to confirm.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Yeah.